Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how we can simply swap the air token to BNB. It's quite easy. All you need to do is head over to your browser, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. So click on the browser. Once there, scroll till you find the Pancake Swap. And once you've selected Pancake Swap, please use the wallet icon at the top right to simply connect your wallet. As you can see here, mine is connected. Otherwise, it's going to show a connect option. So once you've done this, please switch over the network so simply click on the BNB Smart Chain and select the BNB Smart Chain network. And once that's done, where we have the BNB and we have the Air, simply swap their places. And now simply click on Max. I'm going to be swapping everything. And then the slippage tolerance is set to 1%. Click on the swap option, click on confirm swap, and we're going to be activating a smart contract call, which we simply click on the approve option, and the transaction has been submitted. Now, if you do not have the BNB, that's the smart chain BNB on your wallet, you could simply click on add to wallet and it would reflect. Other than that, simply head back here, select the air token, and as you can see, it's gone. Now head over to your BNB and reload. Boom. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can go about any of these, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.